well, up to 13 kilometers per hour maximum speed, 13 kilometers per hour. So when you ride on this smart riding luggage, you will find the speed is quite fast, and it will almost up to the 13 kilometers per hour, and it can be catch a normal bike. Yeah, so it will be very convenient for you guys to using. And also the total frame for this luggage is also about the 100% aluminum alloy, 100% aluminum alloy. So it's quite convenient for you guys to sitting on that. Yeah. Same as back here. It's quite similar to the SE3 Mini T. We will got one powder here, power bank here, which is battery, and it also can be removable. And you guys will see the detailed information about this power bank. It's also same as SE3 Mini T and SE3S. We got like EN 38.3 and MSDS certification for the power bank for the battery itself, because that's two quite important certifications which can allow this power bank up to its plan. And also, we also got ROSE and CE certifications for the power bank, and also the same product itself. So I can show you guys. So first one, I show you guys about the US patent for this smart riding luggage. And also, and next, this is about European patent for the smart riding luggage, innovation like a patent. And also, we got a test report for the product itself. And here is about IF design board about smart riding luggage we provide for you guys. And also in the back here, you guys will see here is a test report for the SE3 T smart riding luggage, and CE certification report, ROSE certification report, and finally this is a US patent. So we got quite a lot of these certifications for the products for this smart riding luggage, which you can ride on that, you can control that very conveniently. And also for the SE3T, currently only got two normal colors. One is black and one is white. So hope you guys will be if you want to purchase samples, you can choosing between those two different colors. And also some people said those two colors are too common and I need more colors. We can also accept to do OEM and ODM. So if you have any requirements to do the customizations or personalizations, you can actually to contact us directly. We will help you guys to change the color of the suitcase. We can change the brand logo of the luggage. And we can help you guys to print some stickers or some pictures on the surface of this luggage. So we have a lot of other customization service for you guys. So if you guys have any requirements to make a change to this smart riding luggage, you can contact us directly. So we can help you guys to do any requirements for that kind of the customizations. So if you have any questions about this smart riding luggage, please contact us directly. So thank you for you guys, and I will take a break. Next, I will let my colleague Tina to hand over.
Hello guys, I'm Tina from Airwheel company, and thanks my colleague Teresa have a good introduction about our scooter suitcase And for now, I'm going to introduce our following showcase. It is a quite popular. Okay, it is a quite. Okay, it is a quite popular product in the world now. So you may have see the videos on the website like that, the suitcase which can follow behind you. Yes, so this is what our following showcase SR5. So I will give you the detailed introduction about this product. So first that, and when you receive our following showcase, you will get three things. First, it is a watch. Yeah, it is a watch. And then a suitcase. And also, look here, and you got a battery. You got a battery. So you have got these three things like a watch and a suitcase and a battery. And then I will teach you how to use our following showcase. How to use our following showcase. Yes, so before I introduce, I would like to say the details and the information of our power bank. So this power bank, the capacity is about 62 Wh. So it is the small capacity, and you can take this power bank to the plane directly. So because that we have rules, the rules of the airlines, which said that the max capacity which allow the airline passengers take to the plane is 100 Wh. So this one is only 62, and there's no problem. You can take it to the plane directly. So this is the power bank, and we have also passed the CE certification, MSDS, ROSE, and also the UN 38.3. These certifications that make sure that our power bank is safe and you can take it to the plane directly. So this is the power bank. And first you need to put this power bank into the suitcase. So here we have, inside this suitcase, we have a pocket. So you can see that here is a pocket for you to put this power bank. And here we have a plug one, and you need to plug in this battery. Yeah, so put this battery in this pocket. Yeah, so this is the first step. And next step, here we have a turning on button. Yeah, it has a turning on button on the suitcase, just press it. Yeah, and you can see that here we have a LED line here, so it is flashing now. So this suitcase is powered on. And the third is that this watch. And when you first use our floating suitcase, you need to match this watch to this suitcase. So I'll teach you how to match it. So here we have the two buttons on this watch, and just press these two buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Yeah, so you can see that I have matched this watch to this suitcase. So this suitcase has on the following mode. Yeah, so you can wear this watch on your hand. Yeah. And then you can see that the suitcase is following behind you. Yeah, when you walk in the front, and it is following behind you. And if you stop, this suitcase will stop immediately. So the safety distance between you and the suitcase is 30 cm. So you do not need to worry that if the suitcase will hit you, it will hit you. And once the distance between you and the suitcase is over 3 meters, and this watch will alarm you. Yeah, this watch will alarm you and to mention you that your suitcase is too far away from you, and you need to pay attention to your suitcase. So this is how it works. So I'll show you again. When I just walk in the front, you can see that this suitcase just follow behind me. Yeah. So you can take this suitcase, and when you are go traveling, and when you walk in the airport, you do not need to carry this suitcase and just let it follow behind you. It is quite eye-catching. Yeah. So this is the suitcase, and for now I will just turn off the power, and I will show you how it works, which tech we use for this suitcase. Yeah, so for this part, In the side of the suitcase, you can see here we have a black part. It is the UWB. We use the UWB sensors. Yeah, so to connect it with this watch, So this is the UWB high-tech sensors here, and you can see that in these four corners we have four sensors. Yes, so these sensors make sure that it was sensing around the suitcase, and so when you use it, and the suitcase will not hit things around them. Yeah, so this is the for sensors how it works. And here's that our suitcase has the four wheels, four spinner wheels, just like the normal one. Yeah, just like the normal one. Yeah, you can see here that it is the four wheels. And how it works, because that here's we have two motor wheel, which is normally lift up inside the suitcase. And when you turn on the power and use the following mode, and these two motor wheels will lift down. So I will show you. First, I just turn on this suitcase. Yeah, turn on this suitcase and also turn on the watch. So you can see that these two wheels just left down, and then it is the following mode. And if I turn off the light, turn off the power, so these two motor will just left up. So this is how it works. Then these two motor wheels control the directions of the suitcase. So it is how it works. And next, I will show you that here's another intelligent function of our following suitcase. So first, we have two USB charge ports. So here we have two USB charge ports. So when you use it, and you can charge it to your electric devices, your smartphones. So when you go in, when you are in the airport, you do not need to worry that your suitcase, your smartphone will power off, and you can use this charge port to charge to your electric devices. And next to that is the lock. So normally the suitcase uses the TSA coded lock, but our suitcase use this lock, the fingerprint lock. Yeah, the fingerprint lock. So I'll show you how it works. First, you need to storage the fingerprint into this lock, and it can storage 10 fingerprints to this lock. And how it opens, it's quite easy. You do not need to memory the code, and just put your finger onto the lock. So you can see it is unlocked automatically. So it is quite easy for you to use. So this is our following suitcase. We have the USB charge port, and we have the fingerprint lock. And then I will show you the storage of our suitcase. So I just open it to you, show that the storage. Because it is the 20-inch carry-on suitcase, you can see that the storage is quite large for you to put clothes inside, and the storage is 30 liters. So when you go for travel, I think it is enough for a short trip, like 3 or 5 days, and you can put your clothes inside, you can put your laptop inside. And also we have a zip to get separate part. So you can put your clothes in this inner part, and the outside you can put something, leather things like your makeups, washing accessories. And also our suitcase is a front open pocket. So it is quite convenient, because that when you want to find something out of suitcase, you do not need to lay down the suitcase. Just open this front open pocket and take things outside. So it is quite useful function and convenient for you to use this one. And also here we have a small pocket, so you can put something important in here, like your passport or credit card in this part. Yeah, so this is the inside storage of our following suitcase. So, and here's, if you do not want to use the following mode, here we have the trolley, aluminum trolley for you to carry this suitcase. Just like the normal one, and it is the 4 spinning wheels, and it is quite flexible for you to carry this one. You can see this. Okay, and the net weight, here we have a PC handle here for you to take this suitcase, and the net weight of this one is quite light, only 6.5 kilograms. So it is quite light, and you can take it and carry it with your one hand, even a girl or ladies. So it is quite lightweight. And then you can see this is the following suitcase. It is quite intelligent function that it will follow behind you automatically. And also we have a fingerprint lock, TSA fingerprint lock, and we have the USB charge port on this suitcase. And the power bank, the battery, is inside this suitcase, and also it is removable. So I need to tell you one thing important is when you go to the airport and you need to pass the customs. So do not forget to take this suitcase or take this power bank out of suitcase when you pass the custom. So after you pass it, and you can take it back to the suitcase and use the following mode and take it to the plane directly. So this is important thing that of our of our following suitcase. And then I will show you again how it follow behind me. So first that you can wear this watch on your hand. And next is that turn on the power of the suitcase, and also turn on the power of this watch. See, the motor wheels has left down, and then it is the following mode. So even if in the rough road and this suitcase can walk, yeah, and you can see that once the distance between you and this suitcase is over 30 meters, and this watch will alarm you. Yeah, you can see it in this rough road, and it can go through. It's quite safe. It will not fall down. Okay, I will show you again. I just walk in the front, and the suitcase will come over to me. 是吗？没问题。Okay, and here we have a trolley to carry this suitcase. Do not forget to turn off the power of the suitcase, and we know that in some place you cannot use the following mode. So we have a trolley, along the trolley for you to take this suitcase. Yeah, and also we have a PC handle in here, and you can take it because it is quite lightweight, and the net weight is only 6.5 kilograms. Yeah, it is quite lightweight, and you can take it with your one hand. Okay, for now, this is our following suitcase, and it is quite popular in the world. And for this product, we have passed a lot of certifications that you can see here. Here it is the EU patent, your EU patent of our following suitcase, and here is the CE certification. Yeah, it is the Rose test report of our suitcase. So for these certifications, we have passed. And for our SR5 following suitcase, we have the 2 colors to choice. So this one is the silver one, and also we have a dark gray one. Yeah, dark gray one. So for these 2 colors for you to choose, dark gray and silver. So it is suitable for some businessmen or who travels a lot, and they can take this suitcase because it looks quite professional, and just like when you walk in the front, and the suitcase will follow behind you. And when you use our SR5 following suitcase and in the airport or in the train stations, yeah, it is quite eye-catching. And so if you like, and you can just leave your comments to us and contact us, and I will send you more detailed information about this suitcase, the price, the shippings, and any other things you like. You can contact me. So So this is our following Suitcase, and I will move to our next product, the R5 Plus. So our electric bike. Okay. So this one is our electric bike. Yes, it is the floatable electric bike. And you can see that this one is quite fashionable, and it is all black. It is all black, and the size is quite small, but we have the two big wheels, and the front wheel and the rear wheels, the size of these two wheels is 16 inches, 6 inches. So I just then I will make a detailed introduction about our R5 Plus. So it is quite a popular product of our company, and we sell quite well overseas and here. You can see that it is floatable, and the power bank, the battery is under the seat. So the power bank, the battery is removable. You can see that here, the seat, you can adjust the height of the seat here, and just remove this power bank. And if you want to charge this power bank here, just remove this power bank. And here we have a plug in this part, so we can charge it in down here in this part. So the charge port is in this part. Yeah, and here next is that the power, the capacity of the power bank of this R5 Plus is 7.5 Ah. So it is powerful, and capacity is large. So the long distance of our R5 Plus could be 30 kilometers. And the motor we used is the motor is the rear wheel motor, and the motor power could be 250 W. So the max speed of our R5 Plus could be 35 kilometers per hour. 35 kilometers per hour. So it is quite fast, and the speed has 6 different levels of the speed. So you can control the speed which you like. Yeah, how to control it? Because you can see here we have a LED control center on the handle here, and then you can control the speed and control the mode of the bike, like the electrical mode or just like the normal mode. So you can control it with this LED controller. And first you need to press the power button, and when it's on, then you can set. You can see here on the screen we have several informations like the speed of the bike and the distance of the bike, and also you can change the mode of this bike. So it is quite easy and convenient for you to use, and everyone can use this electronic bike. And next is like the brake of our R5 Plus is the front disc brake. Yes, front wheel disc brake. So in these two parts, in the front wheel, we have the disc brake for you to control. So it is quite safe. And when you want to stop it, just press this brake and it will stop immediately. So it is quite safe for you to use our R5 Plus. And then you can see that our two wheels is 16 inches, the big wheel for you to use. So it can adjust to any road conditions. For example, that when outside is raining and outside is snowing, you can also use our R5 Plus and you will not falling. So this is quite important, that because this big wheels, big tires, and to make sure that you can ride on this bike on any road conditions, even if the rough road. So this is the wheels of our R5 Plus, wheels of R5 Plus. And here's, I will show you how it float and because it can be float into a small size. And you can see that in the middle, we have a buckle and you just press it. So it is a quick float, just with 2 seconds, and then you can float it into a small size, So you can see that you can float this one into a small size. Sorry, and I just have got accident, and I will introduce again our kids scooter suitcase. So I'll start from the beginning. So first, you can see that it is quite cute and adorable product. The shape of this one is just like a little dog. So you can see that in front it is the nose and the eyes of the suitcase. Of the dog, yeah, and this color is the pink one, so it is quite adorable and cute, and many girls will like this one. So first, just like our normal other scooter suitcase, we have a control handle for you to use, and this is the adjustable, and you can lift it up and lift it down. So it is quite easy for the kids to use this kind of product. Lift up and lift down. Yeah, and how to control it, I will teach you. It is quite simple. Yes, we have 2 buttons on these handles. If you want to go ahead, yeah, just press this right button. It will go ahead. And if you want to stop, the left one is a brake. And if you want to go reversing, press this button at the same time. It will go reversing. Yeah, see, it's quite simple for the kids to use these handles, and so you can see that it is left up and down. And for our scooter suitcase, the material, the shell of the suitcase we use is the high quality PC material. So high quality PC material in this part, and it is safe for the kids to use. And there's no problem, and the parents will not worry about this because the material we use for this suitcase is the high quality PC material. And the max loading weight of this one is 40 kilograms. So the adult and the kids weight is over 40 kilograms. They cannot use this SQ3 scooter suitcase. Yeah, so, and when the kids ride on it, and here we have a footrest, so the kid can put their feet in this part. Okay, so this is the material of our scooter suitcase. It is high quality PC material. And here we can see that surface, we have some carton stickers on it. It is quite cute, and this one is just like a kitty paw on this on the shelves, and here is our brand name Airwheel. Yeah, so but if some distributors want to do some customizations, like change the stickers and print here, yes, we accept it because we accept OEM or ODM. So you can just send your request of this product, and I will send you more detailed information about this one. Okay, so this is the materials and print of our scooter suitcase. And our suitcase is the 3-wheel suitcase. You can see that here we have 3 wheels. The front wheels is the motor wheel. It gives the power of the suitcase. And we have 2 rear wheels. So when the kids ride on this suitcase, it is quite safe because it is a tricycle scooter. Yeah, tricycle scooters, mobility scooters for the kids to use, and it will keep the balance of the suitcase, and the kids will not fall down. So this is quite important. It is the 3 wheels and the 2 rear wheels to make sure the balance of the suitcase, and when your kids ride on it, they will not fall down. Yeah, they will not fall down. And next, I will show you that inside the suitcase. And the lock, it is quite easy for the kids to open. We do not use the coded lock, and it's just a simple lock. Just pull this buckle here, and it is unlocked. So when yes, we do not use the coded lock, and we just use this simple lock, and just to pull this buckle here, and it is unlocked. So then you can just open it. You can see this inside storage. So it is quite enough, and your kids can put their clothes inside and travel accessories inside, and they can put their favorite toys inside this suitcase. This is the power bank, the battery of our scooter suitcase, and it is removable. And we have a separate pocket to put this power bank, and you can close this zip here, so it is safe, and your kids will not touch this power bank. So we have a separate pocket to put this power bank. Yeah, I just open it and remove this power bank to show you the detailed information of our power bank. You can see that the capacity of this one is only 43 Wh. So it is the low capacity, and you can take this one to the plane directly. And next is that we have passed a lot of certifications like the CE, MSDS, and ROSE, and also the UN 38.3, which makes sure that it is safe for you to use this power bank. Yeah, I just, okay, this is the information of our power bank. And when you use it, just plug in and put it into the pocket and close this step here. See, have you heard the voice? Yeah. So this is the music player of our scooter suitcase, another function of our scooter suitcase. It has a music players, so that we have the two different modes, like the Bluetooth mode and also the TF mode, TF memory card mode. So which means that you can link this suitcase with your smartphones and play the music via Bluetooth. And also you can play the music in the TF memory card, so the parents can storage the songs and music into this TF memory card. So when your kids ride on this suitcase, they can play the music and listen to the music. So it is quite eye-catching and fashionable for the kids to use this kind of product. Okay, I'll show you that here. In the front, we have a turning on button. In the front, we have a turning on button. Then just press it. So it is powered on. Can you see? Oh, sorry, can you hear the voice? So first it is the TF mode, and then
Play by TF card.
Yeah, play by TF card. So we have the ABC songs. You can see here. And then you can change the songs. Here we have the buttons. Change to next song. And also you can control the voice, like volume down and volume up. Yeah, volume down. And then you can change it to a next mode, like Bluetooth mode. So you can link this one to your smartphones and play the music via Bluetooth. So it is quite fashionable and intelligent function of our scooter suitcase. And I'll show you where is you put this TF memory card. Here inside we have another zip. Just open it. Can you see here? The TF memory card is put in this part inside this suitcase. Yeah, so do not worry. We have specifications for you to teach you how to use this scooter suitcase for the kids. Okay, just when you ride on it, I cannot show you because the max loading weight of this one is only 40 kilograms. So when your kids ride on this suitcase, and they can ride on it and control the directions and speed with these handles. But the max speed of this one is only 5 kilometers per hour. So there's no problem. The safe is not very fast, and it is safe. It will not be very fast, and your kids can just ride on it. Yeah. So this product, and you can use it when you go outside for traveling, and also in the daily life, in your daily life. Because that this one is just like a mini scooters for the kids, so they can take it when they hang out, when they hang outside in the park or someone else. Yes. So if you, for example, you can go camping. If you go camping with your families, and you can take this suitcase into a car trunk, and then your kids can ride on this one outside in the park or anyone they want and where they want, because it is quite fashionable and the speed is quite adorable. And here's that the when the kids ride on it, and they can control it with their hands, this little handle here. Yeah. And if they do not want to use the riding mode, here we have another trolley. Yeah, we have another trolley here. So you can see that here you can take this suitcase just like the normal one. It is the aluminum trolley. So you can take this suitcase just like the normal one. And then you can see this part. We have a PC handle. It is quite soft. Yes, so the net weight of this one is 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms. The weight is not very heavy. Yeah, I think the kid can take this suitcase. And here we have, you can see that here we have the little hole here, white hole here in the back and in the front, so that we have another wines in this suitcase. And so when the parents use this suitcase and just take this wine in the front, and to avoid the kids to go far away, and to make sure that your kids is in your eyes. Yeah, in your eyes. So this is the functions of our kids scooter suitcase, and we have 2 colors of this product. So this one is the pink one for the girls, and also we have a white colors for the boys, and also white colors is also for the girls. So we have 2 colors of this kind of product in the. If you want to do some customization, like change the colors to blue or pink or red, there's no problem, and we accept OEM, ODM. So just to contact us if you are interested about this product. So this is our SQ3 kids scooter suitcase. Amy, 到你了吗？你来了吗？ Okay, I will take a little break in my colleague Amy will have this live show.
Hello guys, welcome to our live show, and later I will introduce our product to you guys. If you guys have any questions, no, E6. Okay. If you guys have any questions about our product, yeah, you can leave comments and I will give you a reply as soon as possible. Now I am going to introduce this product, this electric folding mini bike. It is our E3, and for this electric bike, it is foldable. You can fold it to a mini size. Also, when we buying this kind of product, we will send you a backpack. After you have folded to a mini size, you can put it in a backpack. Yeah. And about the net weight of this E3, it is about 12.5 kilogram. Yeah, 12.5 kilogram. And about the color of this product, it has 2 colors for you guys to choose right now. As you can see right now, this one, it is our white one. We also have designed a black one.
yeah, we have these two colors. And these two products are both available in our Belgian stock. Yeah, in our Belgian stock. So if you guys want to buy this kind of product for your own use or for your sample test, we will deliver the goods to you guys from our Belgian stock. And next, I will continue to introduce the details for this product. You guys can see when you see it at the first sight, the most eye-catching function is about its design. These two round circles in the middle part, it is a kind of two round circle structure, and it is really eye-catching and unique in the world. Yeah. And for this kind of design, maybe many ladies will prefer this kind of design. Also, about this electric bike, why we call it is electric, because it is controlled by the power bank. And here is the power bank. This kind of square box, this white square box, it is our power bank. And for our power bank, you guys can see it is square, and we have designed kind of turning on button on the bike. Also, we have designed kind of USB charging port on the power bank. I can show you guys the USB charging port first. On the power bank, you can see the brand name Airwheel. Yeah, you can see the brand name Airwheel. And we have a kind of cover on this side, and you only need to open the cover. Yeah, open the cover. You guys can see we have kind of USB charging ports in this part. Maybe I can show you clearly. Yeah, here is a USB charging port. So when you're riding on this electric bike, for outside, for travel, for commuting, maybe your electronic devices, your daily electronic devices is out of stock. So you only need to take a USB charging cable with you. Then you can charge your electronic devices like your iPhone, iPad, or other daily electronic devices at the same time. And it will be really convenient and comfortable for those who can frequently using your electronic devices. And if you don't want to use, you only need to close the cover here. So it is a kind of convenient design for you. Even when you're riding on this electric bike, you can still using the USB charging port here. And on the other side, I will show you the other side. From this part, as this part we have designed a turning on button. Yeah, a turning on button. Also, we have designed kind of charging port for the power bank. When the power bank it is ultra power, you can use a kind of charging port to charge it. And here is the turning on button. Yeah, by pushing it, now this electric bike it is powered on. And here is a charging port. When you don't want to use it, you only need to close it, and it will protect the metals inside. And for the next part, it is kind of most important part. It is about the handle part. We add this kind of handle for you. It has so many buttons for you guys to change the direction, to speed up, to brake, or anything. And I will show you from like this way. Here is a kind of electric bike, and we on the left hand we have designed a kind of ring. Yeah, we have designed kind of ring. So this kind of ring, it is for you guys to remind others that you need to be careful. Yeah, it is a kind of ring. And here on the left side, under it, we also have designed a kind of red button. It is a kind of braking button. It is a ABS braking system. Yeah, so it is quite useful and intelligent for you guys to brake, to stop. And in the middle of the handle, we have kind of light. Yeah, you can use the light. Now you guys can see the light is on. You can use the light to remind others. When you go out at night, you can remind others. Here is the light. If you don't want to use it, you can close it with the right button, the red button on the left handle. Here is the kind of controlling of the light. And On the left, on your right hand, we also have designed kind of speed button. Here is the kind of accelerating button, or you can call it speed button. And when you ride on this electric bike, when you ride on it like this, and you put your feet on the footrest part, and you only need to push the accelerating or the speed button, and it will speed up, and you can move forward, and you don't need to tap your tables here. You only need to push the right button, accelerating, or red button, brake. There's 2 buttons for you guys to use. Also, for our electric bike, on the right hand, we have a kind of reminder for you guys to see the voltage. For you guys to see please wait a moment. We have designed a kind of reminder for you guys to see the voltage of this battery. Here we have kind of 3 lights on the right hander. There are 3 lights. The first is green, second is yellow, and the last one is red. The 3 lights will remind you the voltage. The green light means it is full. Also, it has kind of word to remind you when it is green, it means the voltage is full. And next, when it is yellow, that means it is half voltage. It is half. And when the light it is red, that means this kind of voltage it is empty. So it is a kind of reminder for the battery. You can see the capacity of this battery part. You can see the capacity. And next, I want to introduce is the most important part. Maybe it is about the folding function. It is the folding function. Maybe you guys have seen just now. Here is the power bank, and here is the kind of sitting setters. You can sit on it. And about this part, we can fold it to a mini size. We can fold it. And the ways, it is quite easy. Now I will teach you. Please see it clearly. First, it is about the hander part. About the hander here. The first I want to teach you is about the adjust of the hander. The height of the hander, it is adjustable. And you can see we have kind of silver locker here. You can adjust the height, and you only need to open the locker here. You can adjust it. When you have adjusted to the most suitable one, you can close it. You only need to close it. That means this kind of electric bike, the height is fixed. So even if your kids or the kind of short people ride on this bike, they can adjust the height. Next, it is about this left and right handers. And about these handers, it is adjustable. And you only need to, you can see on the middle part, we have kind of 2 silver lockers, and it is scratchable. And you only need to pull them, like on the right hand, you only need to pull them to right and fold it. For the left one, you only need to pull them and fold it. That is the kind of folding for the hander part. So it is quite easy for you guys to learn. And if you want to use the kind of normal hander, you only need to lift them up. It is quite easy for you guys to learn. Now I will show you again. You only need to pull them, then fold them. Pull them and fold them. So it is quite easy. Here is a kind of folding of the hander part. Next, it is about the setters. The most easy folding way. It is the same. You only need to pull them like the left one. You only need to pull them to left side, then fold them. Also, about the right one, you only need to pull them to right, then fold it. Here is the kind of folding way of the setters, also the handers. The folding way of these 2 are the same. Next, it is about the folding of the middle part. Actually, after you have folded them, next it is about the footrest part. These 2 small footrest. It is foldable, and the folding way is quite easy. You only need to lift them up. You only need to lift them up and fold them, so it can be hidden to the bike. And for the kind of the 2 meter part, the 2 tires actually can be folded to the bike. Yeah, the 2 tires here can be folded to the 2 round circles in the middle part. And about the size of the tires, it is 8-inch. Yeah, it is 8-inch, but it is quite stable because you guys can see the whole framework. It is 100% aluminum alloy, so it is quite hard and sturdy for you guys to ride on it. And the max loading weight is 100 kilogram. Yeah, max loading weight 100 kilogram. So if you are under 100 kilogram, it would be quite safe for you guys to ride on this electric bike. And now I will teach you how to fold the middle part. I need to change the direction first. About the folding, maybe I will start from the tires first. First, I need to start from the middle part. This one, we have kind of silver locker in the middle part. And we only need to pour them. Yeah, we only need to pour. Sorry, only need to pour the locker here, and you can fold them. You guys can see it's the locker here. It is in the middle part. And next, it is about the folding of the kind of tires. And you guys can see we have kind of 2 silver locker in the beside the 2 lockers, and I only need to pour them. You guys can see on the front tile we have kind of silver locker here, and we only need to pour them. You can fold it. Maybe I need to call my colleague to help me. Teresa, come. Thanks. Yeah, I need to kind of pour this tire, and if we can fold it to a mini size. Now, I will teach you from the real wheel first. You only need to pour the silver locker here and lift up the brake. Then you can fold the tire into the round circle here. Also about the front tire, you only need to pour the locker here and to put them into the middle part. Yeah, and about the middle part, we have kind of silver locker here. You only need to pour them. Yeah, and these 2 will be folded to the mini size. They can fold to a backpack pop. That is why I call you. So good. Thanks for your help. And after you pour the locker here, and you can fold them to a mini size. And after you have folding them, you can put them in the backpack. And next, I will teach you how to return them to the normal size. It is quite easy. About the 2 tires, you only need to click them out with your feet. You only need to click them with your feet. And then you can use the locker here. Is the locker in this part. Also about the front tire, you only need to click them and close them with the locker here. Sorry, I need to close the locker here. that is the kind of unfolding of this electric bike. And about the two tires, about the center part, you only need to lift them up. And about the kind of handle, you only need to lift them up. And here, just now I made a kind of mistake. That is, when you're folding this electric bike, you need to turn off the electric bike first. Anyway, it will be a little bit dangerous if when you're folding them and you forgot to turn off the bike, it would be dangerous. So when you want to fold the electric bike, you need to turn off the bike first. That is our E3, the folding and unfolding function of this electric bike. And about the color, the choice of the color I have mentioned, we have kind of two colors for you guys to use. The first one is the black one, and the second is the white one. And about these two colors, they are both in stock in Belgium. Yeah, we have stock in Belgium. So if you guys want to buy it for your own use or buy it for sample test or anything, yeah, you can contact us. And I think it is a kind of unique and eye-catching gift for you guys to use. So if you guys have any interesting about this product, yeah, you can contact us. And about the max loading weight is 100 kilogram. And this one you can fold it to a mini size. Also, about the net weight is 12.5 kilogram, 12.5 kilogram. And about the folding function, when you ride on this electric bike, maybe to some for travel or for commuting, when you ride on this electric bike to the office or to the park, it would be really convenient because you guys can see it is really mini size and it can pass the kind of road very smoothly. And after you ride on them to the office, and you can put it like at the corner of your office, and you don't need to worry that someone will steal your kind of electric bike. Also, about this power bank, about this battery, it is removable. Yeah, you can remove it. Also, you can charge it on the chat box here. So if you guys have any questions, yeah, you can leave comments. Next, I will introduce you guys another similar product that is our E6. Hey, Tina, E6. Hello guys, this is our E6. Yeah, you both can also see the videos behind me. Yeah, please wait a minute. Okay, now this is our E6, and you can see the kind of design. It has some similarity parts about the electric folding bike. The difference is the kind of the major part, the framework, it is different. About the framework, we have kind of an X-ray in the middle part, but for our E3, it has two round circles. That is the difference of these two electric folding bike. Also, you guys can check the kind of electric bike about the handle part, about the functions of the handle part. I will teach you from the front part first. It is actually similar with our E3. On the left handle, we have a kind of ring. So even if you ride on this electric bike at night, in the evening, or on some dark conditions, so this kind of ring will remind others need to be careful. And the middle part, we have designed kind of light here. Yeah, and the controlling of the light, we have the red button on the right handle. It is for you guys to control the kind of handle here. That is okay. Next, it is about the kind of controlling of the capacity, and I can show you guys, much more closer. You guys can check this part first. About the left hand, we have kind of brake. Yeah, it is the brake button for you guys to. When you want to stop, you only need to use your left hand to brake. And next, it is about kind of accelerating. It is the same with our E3. You only need to push them, and you can speed up, and you can accelerating. And on the right hand, it also have a red button for you guys to control the kind of lights here. Right now, it has no light because I have turned off the power bank. Yeah, I can push them, and the light here. Yeah, you guys can see the light here, it is on. Now I have turned off it. Also on the right hand, it has kind of reminders of the capacity. Also has 3 lights. The green one means it is fully charged, and the yellow light means it is half voltage of this power bank. And the last one is the red light. Red light means the kind of capacity, it is empty. And here is the kind of power bank. Yeah, here is the power bank. And on the power bank, we have the similar design. The first is a kind of charging port, and over it is a kind of turning on button and turning off button. And on the other side of the power bank, we also have designed kind of USB charging port. It also has a kind of cover here. So when you're riding, you can charge your electronic devices. And next, it is about the net weight. The net weight is a little bit heavier. That is 12.6 kilogram. 12.6 kilogram. And the max loading weight is 100 kilogram. Yeah, max loading weight 100 kilogram. And the max speed of our E3 and E6 is 20 kilogram per hour. Yeah, 20 kilogram per hour. And next, I want to teach you that has a kind of folding function. About the folding function of E6, it will be easier than our E3. And about the handle part, it is the same. You only need to pull it in and then fold it. About the 2 saddles, you only need to pull them and fold them. Next, it is about the middle part, a kind of X part. You only need to open the lockers in the middle part. I can show you from the other side. We have kind of locker in the middle part, and you only need to open them. The middle part can be folded. You guys can see? Yeah, I can open the locker here. I can lift up the kind of brake first. For the middle part, I will return it to the normal size. And about the brake, yeah, you can lift up the brake first, and you only need to open and close the locker in this part, and you can close them. You can fold them to a mini size. That is a kind of folding way for our E6. Yeah, that is a folding way. Also about the next folding way, that is our footrest part. It is quite easy. You only need to lift them up. You can lift them up with your kind of feet. Also, you can lift them up with your hands. That is quite easy. And when you want to ride on them, you can lift them up. And when you don't want to ride on them, you can lift up the brake here. And here is a kind of 2 handles. So it will return to a normal electric bike. Yeah, you can ride on it. That is our E6. The difference between E3 and E6 is a kind of middle part. The design is different. For our E3, it's 2 round circles, and for our E6, it is kind of X part. So that is all details for our E6. So if you guys have any questions about this product, you can leave comments. And as soon as we see your comments, we will give you a reply soon. So here is our E6. Now I will move to our another product. It is a kind of product, very convenient product for you guys when you want to ride on a kind of electric bike. Yeah, it is a safety helmet, a smart helmet to protect your head. Yeah, and this electric smart helmet is designed for bike. When you're riding a bike, you guys can see the design. It is the helmet for the bike. We have kind of Valentine. You can the hair will kind of blow some wind here. So when you're riding, it can protect your head at first. Also, it will kind of keep the air clean. Yeah, that is kind of smart helmet. Also, it will have kind of safety protection function for our smart helmet. We also have another function that is kind of, I will turn on the smart helmet first. You guys can see here is a kind of turning on button. Yeah, on the right hand, you only need to pull it in for a long time, and you can turn it on. Yeah, here is a kind of turning on button. I can show you closer. Here is the turning on button. Also, it has a kind of you can take photos by pushing these buttons. For this smart helmet, we have the function of taking videos or shooting videos, taking photos. Also, you can listen to the music. You can answer the phone calls. That is a kind of special function. Here is a turning on button and the kind of photo shoot taking function. Next, it is a kind of Wi-Fi icon. Yeah, we have designed kind of small icons here. It is a Wi-Fi icon, and beside it, we have kind of when you want to take videos, you need to push the DV button here, and you will start shooting videos. And after you have closed them, you only need to put the buttons here again, and it will close. It will stop taking videos. And on the other hand, on the other side, we have designed kind of phone call. Yeah, we have kind of phone call. When you're riding this electric bike with our smart helmet, maybe you have kind of phone call and you have no hands to answer the phone call. You only need to push the buttons on the smart helmet here in this part, and you can answer the phone call at the same time. Next, beside it, we have kind of volume up, volume down. Also, the kind of move to the next step or move to the last one. That is a kind of turning button for the voltage, also for your voice, or for the kind of next song or the last song. That is kind of changing for this part. Also, about the middle part, I have mentioned we can take videos. Yeah, we also can take photos. So we have done kind of camera in the middle part. Here is a camera. Yeah, and you can use this camera to take videos, and kind of it is use this camera to take photos. I can show you when you riding, you wear this kind of smart helmet. Sorry, the kind of size it will be a little bit small. So for this kind of condition, you can adjust the size of the smart helmet. We have kind of red button here for you to adjust the size. I can adjust it to the most suitable size for me. Maybe right now, yeah, it is okay. I have adjusted to the most suitable size. Then I can wear on this smart helmet. Here is a kind of smart helmet. When you're riding, yeah, you can turn on this, put this smart helmet on. Yeah, and when you're riding, you have kind of phone call. You can push the left button here, and you can answer the phone call. And you want to play music, you can also push the button here. You can change it to the next song, to your next favorite. Also, you can change the voice by pushing the buttons in this part. And on the right hand, we have kind of taking videos or shooting, DVDs. So you only need to push the buttons here, and you can kind of adjust, take photos or shooting videos. That is our smart helmet for you guys to ride bikes. And I can show you the inside part. Here is the kind of locker for you guys to adjust the size of the smart helmet. Maybe your head is a little bit large. You can use the side to adjust to the largest, to the most suitable size. And I think maybe you think it is a little bit large. You only need to scratch the locker here, and you can adjust it to the smallest one. Yeah, it is up to you anyway. And inside we have kind of sticker here. It would be a little bit softer. And about next, it is about kind of charging place. The charging place for the smart helmet. It is in the front part. Yeah, in the front part here, we have kind of charging port. Yeah, here is the kind of charging port for this smart helmet. And after you have fully charged, then you only need to close the kind of sticker here. And when you riding on, then you need to close the sticker here. Yeah, you need to close them. So that is our smart helmet for you guys when you ride on bikes. It is for you guys to protect yourself, protect your head. It is really necessary when you ride on bike. And this one we have designed, so many colors. As you can see right now, this smart helmet is white plus orange. White plus orange. We also have kind of white plus green. Yeah, white plus green. And for this two kind of colors, it is available in our Belgian stock. Yeah, it is available in Belgium. So if you guys want to buy this kind of smart helmets, and you can contact us directly. Yeah, you can leave comments or contact us by using the contact information. Yeah. And here is a kind of smart helmet. We also have designed a kind of color that has carbon fiber. Yeah, it has looks like black one. So we have different colors for you guys to choose. Also for this kind of smart helmet, if you want to add some more functions, yeah, you can contact us because we accept OEM and ODM. We accept customization. So if you have this requirement, you can contact us. That is our smart helmet when you guys to use when you ride on our bike or electric bike. It should be equipped with our electric bike. So if you guys have any questions about this smart helmet, yeah, you can contact us and we can show you guys more. Also, you can see the video behind me. We can use them to shoot videos or answer the phone call or anything. Yeah. If you want to get this kind of video, you can also contact us. That is our smart helmet. And you need when you're riding on this electric bike, you need to wear our smart helmet. It will be a really good companion for you guys. Yeah, you should buy them at the same time. Next, I will move on to our next product. It is our SE3. It is our smart ride-on luggage. Yeah, our smart ride-on luggage. And you can check. Here is a smart luggage SE3. And you guys can see about the height of this part. You only need to, when you open the kind of package, here is the kind of appearance when you see this kind of luggage. It is a 24-inch. Yeah, it is a 24-inch. So it is not a carry-on size. It is not a carry-on size, and it is 24-inch. So it needs to be checked in. It is a kind of checked-in luggage, and for this kind of SE3. It is actually designed for two. Yeah, you can ride on this electric bike by yourself. Also, you can ride on them with maybe with your kids. Your kids can sit in front of you. Yeah. And about the kind of SE3, I can show you guys how to turn it on. In this part, we have designed kind of red button here in this part. And here is the turning on button, and beside it we have a black button. It is for you guys to fold and unfold the front part, the footrest part. And beside it we have designed kind of locker in this part. Now I will turn on the SE3 first. And when you turn on SE3, it will have kind of music or kind of words to remind you it is now powered on. Now I will push it. Yeah, you guys, can you hear it clearly? It has kind of voice to remind you this suitcase it is powered on. Now I want to use the kind of normal mode. Yeah, I didn't want to use the riding mode. I want to use the normal mode. Then we have designed kind of aluminum alley trolley in this part. This is our trolley. You can use this trolley to drag them. Here is our normal mode. Yeah, so that is a kind of normal mode. You can drag them quite easy. That is the normal mode. And next, I want to introduce is our special function. It is our SE3, our riding luggage. I want to use the riding mode. So you only need to push the red button, the black button here, and the footrest part will be stretched out. Yeah, you guys can see the footrest part have been unfolded, and I only need to put the button here. It will stretch out automatically. That is our SE3. Also, about the height of the handle. About the height of the handle here, you can use the kind of silver locker here. You can open them. Now I can adjust the height of the handle. I can close them with a silver locker in this part. Then I can ride on it. And about the controlling for our SE3. Here is our SE3. We have designed kind of small computer, or you can call it a computer, or you can call it a screen. Here, you can see the kind of speed when you ride on this electric suitcase. Also, you can see the distance, how long you have ride on this suitcase. You can see the distance you ride on this suitcase. Next, you can also see the kind of. Now for this suitcase, I have ride on them for 14 kilogram. Yeah, 14 kilogram. That is the kind of trip I have go around right now. And for the speed, we can adjust this. You can also see the kind of voltage of the capacity. And now this have kind of 5 lights. That means this kind of SE3, it is fully powered on. And for the controlling of our SE3, it is a little bit different with our other ride-on luggage. It is controlled by the right hand. We have kind of scratcher here, and can be, yeah, you can scratch it, and then you will move forward. Now I want to move forward. I can show you guys how to ride on it. You only need to put your feet on the footrest, and you can sit on it comfortably, or you can sit on it straight. Yeah, anyway, it is up to you. And if you want to move forward, You only need to scratch this part, and you can adjust the direction. You can change the direction too. That is our SE3. If you want to change the direction, the kind of handle part, it is adjustable. You can move it to left or to right or move forward. And about the brake, it is really easy. You only need to loose the button here. You only need to loosen, this suitcase will stop. And if you want to move, you want to pull in, yeah. So the kind of controlling for our SE3, it is quite easy. Yeah, it is quite easy. And we have designed kind of computer in this part. You can look at the computer. You can check the speed here when you're riding. Also, when you're riding, you need to be careful about the front part. About, yeah, maybe there are some kind of obstacles in front of you. That is our SE3. And the max speed for our SE3 is 8 kilogram per hour. Yeah, it is 8 kilogram per hour. So for our ride-on luggage, it is quite useful for you guys. When you want to go out for some traveling, maybe you are tired of walking for a long time. Yeah, so this kind of ride-on luggage, it will help you. You don't need to walk anyway. You can sit on this ride-on luggage scooters, and it will help you move. And you only need to put your feet on the footrest, and you only need to push some buttons or loosen. You can, accelerating. You can stop. Also, you can adjust the speed. You can scratch them fast. The speed will be fast. Also, if you want to move them at little speed, and it is also adjustable. You only need to control it by using the buttons in this part. That is our SE3. Yeah. And for our SE3, you guys can see the kind of sitting space. The sitting space is quite large because I have mentioned it is designed for two. You can ride on it with your kids, also you can ride on it with your friends. And about the kind of special parts for our SE3, it is about the behind. We have kind of red lights here. Yeah, we have kind of red lights in this part, and it will act as a kind of reminder to remind others need to be careful. Yeah, it is a kind of reminder. And about the framework, of our smart ride-on luggage SE3, the framework is 100% aluminum alloy. Yeah, 100% aluminum alloy. So it is quite stable and sturdy. And the max loading weight is 120 kilogram. Max loading weight 120 kilogram. So you can ride on it with your kids, with your friends, with no worries. Even when you are under 120 kilogram, yeah, it would be safe for you guys to ride on this suitcase. And for this kind of suitcase, it has the kind of function for the capacity. And about the controlling of this part, it is controlled by our TSA customer lock in this part. It is locked by our TSA customer lock. And the pocket, it is front open design. Yeah, it is front open design. And you only need to push the button in this part. Now this suitcase, I have opened the suitcase, and it is front open design. I can open the pocket from the front part. Yeah, it is front open design. I can show you its inside part. I can show you its capacity. And we have designed a careful space, that is, we have designed two lockers. Yeah, we have these two lockers on the two sides of the pocket. So when you open this suitcase, the front part won't open suddenly, and it will protect the matters in this part. And about the storage, we have designed so many pockets for you guys to put your matters, to put your makeups or anything you want during the trip or anything. We have two pockets in this part. Maybe you can put your makeups, put your kind of socks or anything. And next, it is about a kind of zipper locker in this part. We have designed a kind of large capacity. Yeah, it is a large capacity, and it has the zipper here. And when you open them, you can check the inside. Right, for the inside capacity, you can put your clothes, put your shoes or sick clothes or anything in this part. And our kind of power bank, it is hidden inside. Yeah, it is hidden inside. When you want to charge them, you can open them easily with the zipper in this part. And we also have designed this to protect them, to protect the matters inside. So you can also put your computer in this part, and the matters won't go out. And after you have packed up your capacity, you can close them with a zipper. Yeah, that is the kind of capacity. So it has really large space for you guys to put what you need for your kids, also for yourself. So it is quite enough. And the capacity, it is about 40 liter. Yeah, it is 40 liter. So it is quite large for you guys to use. And after you have packed up, then you can close them with the zipper. Next, you can close them with our TSA customer lock, with our international TSA customer lock, and you can store it. You can set the kind of your password. You can set your password. It is our international TSA customer lock. It is quite easy for you guys to use, and you don't need to the kind of violent customer. It is quite easy for you guys to check them. And for this 24-inch, it is a checked-in luggage. You cannot carry it onto the plane directly. And about the net weight of this one is 14.5 kilogram. 14.5 kilogram. And if you want to ride on this suitcase with our E3, yeah, you only need to ride on it like this. After you have packed up your package, you can ride on them. And the max speed is 8 kilogram power. It is quite easy. You can sit on it straight, or you can sit on it comfortably. That is our SE3. And for the choice of this color, we have kind of two colors for you guys to choose. The first one is this black one. Also, we have another choice that is silver one. Yeah, we have two colors for you guys to choose. And if you want to change the whole color, and we accept OEM and ODM. But we have our minimum order quantity. Anyway, if you have this idea, you can contact us, and we can show you more details about your requirements. Yeah, that is our SE3. And about this SE3, it is foldable, and you only need to push the button. Yeah, you only need to put the black button here. It is foldable. It will fold itself automatically. And about the handle part, the height is adjustable. You can adjust it to the normal size. Next, if you don't want to use them, remember to turn off them. That is our SE3. And I think our SE3 would be suitable for you guys when you ride on them. You can put them in your car trunk and take it to some park, because in some parks the cars are not allowed in the park. But this kind of scooters, different scooters, are allowed to ride on in the parks. This kind of scooters will be the most funny and fashionable, eye-catching toys for you or your family to enjoy your trip, because you can store it what you want to take in the suitcase. Then your kids or yourself, you can ride on this luggage scooters. So it is really convenient and comfortable. Also, we can use them for commuting. Yeah, we can use them for commuting because in our company, some colleagues use this our ride-on luggage scooters for commuting. So it is quite useful. You don't need to walk anyway, and it will protect you from away from the fatigue. Also makes your trip, makes your kind of outdoor activities interesting and comfortable. So that is our E3, SE3. If you guys have any questions about this product, yeah, you can leave comments and I will give you a reply as soon as possible. Yeah, thanks for your watching. That is the end of our online show. Yeah, so
Hello guys, welcome to our live stream. So today we are talking about our smart riding luggage and electronic bike and also other very intelligent products. So I hope you guys were interested in this live stream. So firstly, I will let you guys to introduce you guys our smart riding luggage, which is quite intelligent, and I thought it will be very interesting products and hope you guys enjoy. So let me start with our SE3. So here you can see this is a black suitcase, and this one is quite convenient products and when we're using that. So I will show you how to use it. Like here in the back of the luggage here, we will got a normal like a trail. So it can be using like the normal riding luggage, normal luggage. So when we use that, we can put up these trails and we can hand over it, so it can move very smooth. And the wheel is quite silent, and you are not hearing very large sounds when you run on that. So that is about the normal using function. And next, when we have like to using the riding mode, we have to put this power bank in the back here, and then we press this bottom, the red bottom here. So this red bottom is a power button. When we click that, it will be powered on. And then we can control this luggage to make like a change to be a riding mode. So in the back here, we will have the bottom. So when we click that, it will have like a pipe, so it can be stretched out, so it will got more space when you're using this riding luggage. And also in the front here, we also got another adjustable barcode, and when we click on that, we can putting this handle up. So when you're using this handle, you can make it very convenient, and then you can sit on here, and you can put your legs in the foot panels here. So that will be a very okay for you guys to ride on that. And when you want to control this smart riding luggage, you just need to using the bottom on this handle to control it. Go ahead, make a brakes, and also back reversing to anywhere you want. So it's quite convenient, and also it will be easily for you guys to pass here these panels. So it will also very convenient for you guys to use this smart riding luggage. Yeah, you can turn around very conveniently, and you can stop anywhere you want and reversing. So it will be very convenient for you guys to use. So for me, I thought this smart riding luggage is quite useful, and I think when I using this smart riding luggage, I will be very happy. And I thought using this smart riding luggage can make me more convenient. And also, by using this riding luggage, I can replace my public transport. Sometimes when I go to school, I go to office, I will ride on this riding luggage, and I don't need to take a public transport, and even I don't need to ride a bike. So that will be a very good product for me. to as my daily commuting tools. So I think I really love these products. And also sometimes when I go out for the travel, I will also riding on this smart riding luggage because it has a quite large storage space. So I can show you here this area. Inside we got quite large storage space. And also in front here, this is a TSA coded lock. So it will make this inside stuff is quite safe when you're going to travel. And also it is applied three code password, and you can set the password by yourself. And also you can, even you think the password is unsafe, you can actually to reset it. So just press this button. It will make this barcode unlock, and also then we can open this smart riding luggage. And also this zip here is quite smooth, so even in the corner it's quite smooth. When I zip on that, it's quite smooth when I do moving that. And inside you guys will see here we design is like a front open design, so that when you're using this smart riding luggage, when you're packing your luggage, you don't need to falling down this luggage. You just need to open it here. So it will be very convenient for you guys to open that and store your things. And also the front design, in the first a surface here inside, we get I can show you guys. Here, we design is about the small pockets. So you can store your laptop. You can store your laptop. So when you go out, maybe for the business trip or just normal holiday, but sometimes you need to take your laptop, maybe for work or maybe for your editing some videos. So you can start your computer here, and can you start your camera here. So it will be very convenient for you guys. And even in it's a half open side, you can actually to picking this your laptop, picking your computer, picking your camera out very conveniently. And here we are got a small barcode. So if you're putting something into this small pocket, it will keep the something safe inside. So make sure it will not falling out. And also in this area inside, we get quite large storage space because this suitcase is only got 20 inch. So the inside capacity space might be not very large, but it's well enough for you guys to taking this luggage for almost a 3 to 5 day small trips. So when you storage things inside, you can put a lot of clothes. For girls, maybe you need to take some makeups, your washing up things, stocks or something. So you can storage everything you need into this small packet, a small a storage space. So this one is 20-inch carry-on. So you can actually take on carry it luggage with you. So you can take it to the plane. You can boarding that. So it will be loud. Yeah. Like some people will consider it because it have the battery. Is that possible to boarding allowed? Actually, the answer is yes. So I will close it first and lock this luggage here. So you guys will see here like a 2 barcode, and I can lock it in this TSA lock. And you can slip the number to make it not random. So when you want to open this luggage, and make sure the safety. And also back to the battery topic. So most of people were caring about the battery because they want to think a lot of the airlines will not allow the battery to boarding on the plane or carry on to the plane. But for us, I thought it will be a very useful because you can see here, it's even have the battery, but it's kindly removable battery. So you can remove this power bank. So you can remove this power bank from this luggage. And here, in the back here, we will showing the more detail about the power bank. So you guys might see this more details in the like a spring. So you can see the battery capacity of this luggage will have 73.26 WH, 73.26 WH. So that is a battery capacity under the airline's limitation. So you can actually taking this battery to the plane. And also for this power bank, we already passed UN 38.3 certification and the road certification. Those two are quite important for the battery products. And also, even this battery passed UN 38.3 certification, it can be taken onto the plane. So you don't need to worry if you take that battery to the plane. That will be allowed. Just when you pass the customer, you have to remove this power bank. And then when you have, after complete the customer checking, you can get this back. You can put in this back. So you can using this as smart riding luggage. You can put this trail up and down. So it will be like a normal riding mode. Yeah. And also for this power bank in the front, we will also show you 5 different lights. So those 5 different lights, when you click that, you are showing here has 3 or 5 different lights. 5 different lights. So this light is showing your currently capacity of the for this smart riding luggage as E3S. So like if the 4 lights or 5 lights are complete to showing you guys, that means its battery is fully charged. When only here, like a 2 lights shining, that means this battery is half using. So you have to care about the battery capacity, and you maybe need to recharge it. And also for this power bank, when you charge this power bank, it only needs 2 hours. So it's very fast charging. And also when you're using one fully charged battery, you can use this smart riding luggage for riding like almost 8 to 13 kilometers. So one fully charged battery can ride 8 to 13 kilometers. It's quite a long way, and I thought that will be enough for you guys to take the daily commuting tours. Yeah. And also that is a basic information about the power bank, the inside capacity, and also about the riding mode. I will teach you guys how to using that. Like I can show you guys. Oh, forgot to get the power on. So firstly, we have to press the button. So it might make me go ahead, reversing, and stop. So that's quite easy to using this smart riding luggage. So you guys will maybe hope you guys can see it clearly. So in the front here, in the handle here, we got 2 buttons. So on our left-hand side, or right-hand side, this is right hand. Okay, right-hand side button. When you click that, it will make it go ahead. And also when you press this left button, this is brakes. And also when you press these 2 buttons together, it's reversing. So go ahead, right, brakes, left, reversing together. So it is quite easy to control this smart riding luggage. And also you can control this riding luggage to turn around. So it's also very easy to control that. And I thought you guys will be very, very like to it's quite easy to learn how to use it, and you just need time to learn how to use it. But it will help you guys to using this smart riding luggage in very convenient way. And right on that, it is a very competition. And I thought if you guys would like to using this smart riding luggage as like daily commuting tool, it will be very good like a choice. And also for our smart riding luggage, we not only have the certification for the battery, but we also have a lot of certifications for the product itself. Like here, this is like the design award. This design award earned like in 2020. So that is like a design award for the smart riding luggage. And also here, this one is the US invitation like a patent, US patent. And next one is about like US patent for this smart riding luggage, US patent. And also back here, another European patent for the appearance, a US patent, a EU patent for the appearance. And also for the luggage, we also got another certification here. Oh, sorry, not this one. About this is test report we used for the every product we're producing. Every product we're producing will have like a test report before that's going to the market. And also this one is our CE report for smart riding luggage, CE report. And also the ROSE certification for the smart riding luggage, ROSE certification. So that's the different certifications we earned for this smart riding luggage. And I thought it's very important for you guys because some people, some businessmen were selling these products to the different country, like maybe in the UK, America, in South Africa. So like it's got a lot of like certifications for our products. So if you have any requirements for the other certifications I haven't mentioned, you can actually to contact us directly so we can help you to answer that questions better. Yeah. And next, for the smart riding luggage, we also accept to do OEM and ODM. So if you guys need to change the brand logo, so here is a brand logo. So if you guys need to change the brand logo to your old brand name, that's what we also set. And also for the colors for this smart riding luggage, we can also do customization or personalization. And also some people said I need to print some pictures, print some like a very like a kindly cartoon into this luggage. You can also contact us and we can talk about more details. So any other questions I haven't mentioned about this riding luggage, if you're interested, you can ask me. Oh, yes, by the way, a very important thing I have to mention for you guys is about the speed about this luggage. So the speed for the SE3S, the maximum speed, it will up to 13 kilometers per hour. 13 kilometers per hour. So the speed is almost like the normal bike or electronic bike. So the speed can be up to 13 kilometers per hour. And also the maximum loading weight, like here when I'm sitting on this luggage, the maximum loading weight, the luggage can hold the weight about 120 kilograms, 120 kilograms, 120 kilograms. So that's a quite heavy weight that the luggage can hold because we apply the 100% aluminum alloy, the 100% aluminum alloy for the total frame of the luggage, and also here pipe here, and also the handles. So all the material made is about the frame, about the total frame is about 100% aluminum alloy, and also the thickness aluminum alloy, because we want to make sure the luggage suitcase is quite stable when you guys sitting on that to use it. And for the surface in the two sides, we apply as ABS and PC material. ABS and PC material, which is also very hardness plastic. So when you're using this material, it's quite stable. And even like I sitting on that or I stand on that, it will be affordable. Yeah. And another thing about this smart riding luggage, maybe you guys interested is about the item weight because it's weight itself. So for me, it's not quite heavy. It's only got 9.5 kilogram, 9 kilogram. So it's not very heavy. So I can hold this luggage by my one hand. And also the airlines will accept this carrying a luggage up to 20 kilograms, 20 kilograms. So you can take it to your plane. So I thought this will be a very, very good product for you guys to using and to know more details about that. And also our luggage is come to the market only like 2 to 3 years ago. So it's a quite new product and a quite intelligent products. Just we doing the live stream to explore these products in the home markets, not only in the China, but also in lots of other countries. So we are actually distributing a lot of the we have recruitment like a lot of distributors, agents from the worldwide. So if you guys have any interest in that to be our distributor, you can also contact us directly. Yeah. So hope you guys will like this SE3S. So next, I will move to another one, another model of the smart riding luggage, which is about SE3 Mini T. So here is about our SE3 Mini T smart riding luggage. And as you can see, you guys will find it's a little bit different from those two luggage, SE3 Mini T and SE3S I introduced it before. So SE3 Mini T here, you can see the logo is become to like the squared in this area, not a round one. And also the handle, we do not have like an extra pipe into the middle of the handle and the luggage itself. And this one we made, it's just like a normal, more like the normal luggage. But the same here, we have got another like a normal trail. So we can using this like the normal luggage. So this trail compared with our slide wheels, I thought it will be very convenient for you guys to use it like a normal luggage. Yeah, and also when you want to use in riding mode, you just need to click this button and click this like a control trail up, so that you can sitting on this luggage. And in down here, so down here, we designed like a small foot panels for you guys to put your legs, to put your feet. So you can put your feet here, and then you can control this luggage to go over, go straight, reversing. Yeah. Reversing and brakes. So that is also very convenient for you guys to using this SE3 Mini T luggage. It will also be very convenient for you to use. So when you use it, a luggage, you can see it's quite convenient for you to use to control that. And same as the SE3 and SE3 Mini T, the luggage handle here is actually the control bottom is the same. The control bottom is same. So in the right hand side here, we can control this go ahead, and left hand brakes, and also when you press two bottom together, it's go reversing. Right hand, go ahead, left hand brakes, and together, reversing. So that's a quite convenient like for you guys to control this smart riding luggage. It can be turned around very smooth, and you can stop anywhere you want. And I thought it's a quite convenient product for you guys using. And as I said, it will be using not just like the normal traveling luggage, business traveling suitcase, but also it can be used like the normal like a daily commuting tools, to replace your public transport, to replace your electronic bike, electronic scooter. So I thought it's a very important product for you guys to using. And also, this one SE3 Mini T is also 20-inch carry-on luggage, 20-inch carry-on luggage, and same. It's also the front open design. So I will show you guys here. It's about a TSA lock. So you can click on all the zippers to the side and lock it. And also this one zip quite smooth. You will be very easily to control that, like here. It's also very smooth. So it will be very convenient for you guys to using this as smart riding luggage. And inside, it's got quite large storage space, and you can put in a lot of things you want for your trips. Like for me, when I go out, I maybe need to take a lot of clothes, underwear, my makeups, my laptop, my camera. So everything I need, I can search into this small capacity space. So for this one, SE3 Mini T, it will have the larger capacity space. So the inside capacity will up to 26 liter. So it got quite a large space for you guys to store your things. And also in front of here, we also designed 2 small pockets for you guys to store your small devices or small stuffs. Like here, this is a small one small pocket. For me, I will always store the power bank. Like here, I can move this power bank to show you guys. So in this pocket, I might need another battery. So I can store the power bank in this area, and I can lock here. So it will have like the zipper here, so I can stick on that. So when they store the power bank, it will stay inside. And also in another pocket, I might be storage my iPad or storage a lot of my ebook Kindles. So I will store everything you guys need I need for my trips and into this small pocket. Yeah. So that is a very good design to get your guys to put in small stuff and easy to find that on your luggage. Yeah. And also it is also like a half open design, so it will also have like a small like a barcode in the 2 sides. So hope you guys can show it clear. When you need the full half open design, you just need to close this barcode, and then it will be like a half open. So you can start your things and take out things from this luggage very conveniently, and the surface will not touch the ground anymore. So sometimes when you are packing your things or checking your luggage in the airline, I thought it's probably a very convenient like checking stage. Sometimes the people will check your luggage. So when there's like a half open design, it will be more convenient. Yeah. And then you can close this luggage. And we also have a TSA lock blowing down here. And you can set your own password in this area, and you can set a password by your own. So it will be very convenient for you guys to store this smart riding luggage. And also in the back here, you will see it's not quite similar to the SE3S. So one power bank, one power button, and also in this area, it's a little bit different because here, when you open this black barcode, you will see inside here is 2 USB charging ports, 2 USB charging ports. So you can charge your electronic devices when you're using this smart riding luggage at the same time. So like everything I need just a USB cables so that I can charge my low-powered mobile phone, can charge my iPad, can charge my ebooks. So everything I need to be charged, I can using this power bank to charge it. And also I can charge these devices when I using this smart riding luggage at the same time. So I thought as well be very good design for the SE3 Mini T. And samely for the SE3 Mini T, the power bank I show you guys is the same as E3S and SE3 Mini T. So this power bank, Tina, power bank. So this power bank information, my coach will show you guys it's about below in the screen, so you will check it later. And also, I will show you guys because in the middle bottom here, it's showing you guys, you can see it passed a lot of the certification like UN 38.3, MSDS, ROSE, and CE. So that is a 4 very important certification for this power bank. And we print it in the information in the power bank here. And also in the second line, you can show you the battery capacity. So the power bank battery capacity were up to 73.26 WH, 73.26 WH. So that is battery capacity which is under the limitation of the airline. So you can actually taking this battery up to the plant. And similarly, even this battery past UN 38.3, so it can be taken onto the plant, so it can be bought. So you guys will not worry about this. It will be allowed for you guys to taking it to the plant. It's a quite important like a certification for the power bank, and which can be taken on the plant. And also the ROSE and CE are quite important for the product selling. So not only for the power bank about this battery, but also for the product itself, we also got a lot of certifications I can show you guys. So the first one, this one is our ROSE certification for the power bank, for the product itself. And also CE certification. Same here, we also got a test report. So that is a very important certifications for this products, and I hope you guys will be interested in that. And also for the products, we also got a lot of the patents. Like here, the first one is a total red. So this one is a design award certification, design award. So we own this design award in 2020. And I thought it's a quite important IF design award 2020. And also here, we got like our US patent, US innovation patent for the smart riding luggage, and also European invention patent for the smart riding luggage. So I thought that's a quite important certifications for our smart riding luggage SE3 Mini T. And also for the total riding weight, loading weight for this smart riding luggage is also up to 120 kilograms, 120 kilograms. And only thing different about around between the SE3 Mini T and SE3S is about the speed. So the speed for the SE3S I introduced you before is up to 13 kilometers per hour. But for SE3 Mini T, it's only got 8 kilometers per hour. 8 kilometers per hour. So when we ride on this smart riding luggage, I thought it will be quite convenient for you guys. And also SE3 Mini T. This one is not only designed for like adults, but also it can be used by the kids. So like your kids, if they are over like 6 years old, they can actually to ride on this smart riding luggage by itself, because this one we only got 8 kilometers per hour. The speed only got 8 kilometers per hour, so it will not be very fast. So when you ride on that, it will be very safe for your kids. Will be very safe for your kids. Yeah. So this one is about SE3 Mini T. And for the SE3 Mini T and SE3S, we designed, actually here we got 5 different like common colors for the suitcase. 5 common color for the suitcase. So here we can see we got a black, silver, white, purple, and pink. So we got 5 different colors normally. So this is 5 is very common color, and we can sell in this. We have these colors in stock. So if you guys would like to purchase samples, you can choosing from those 5 different colors. Or we also accept to do OEM and ODM for this smart riding luggage. Like if you guys would like to change the color, like accept those 5 different color, you can change it to like it might be blue or green. So it depends on your requirements. So we can accept to do that. And also in the here, this is our Airwheel brand logo. And also you can change it to your own brand logo, might be like Airwheel or something. So just you can change it to your own brand logo. Yeah. And next, different. Some people would like to like print some pictures on the surface on the parents. We can also accept that. So one of our clients are doing that design. So we also accept to do the like the kind of the customization or personalization. So just a limitation about a minimum order quantity, but up to 100 pieces for customization or minimum like a personalization. So if you guys have any question about this riding luggage, you can contact us directly, or you can leave your email or mobile so we can contact you directly. So I hope you guys will like to do this SE3 Mini T, and which is a 20-inch carry-on luggage. So I will move to the next one. So here we got like a 2 20-inch carry-on luggage. So next, I'd like to introduce you guys about the SE3T. SE3T. This is like a 24-inch carry-on checked-in luggage. You guys will see that it will be much bigger than the 20-inch luggage. So you will see it's like it can be sitting like almost 2 people. Any? Okay. So this is about SE3T 24-inch smart riding luggage. So you can see it also can be ride very conveniently, and also I thought it will be a quite products, because it not only can be used like a one person, because inside you guys will see it's still got quite a lot of space back of me, so it can be sitting another person back here. So if I just only use myself, I can sitting back. So it will be more comfortable when you ride on this smart riding luggage. And same as SE3 Mini T, we designed the small foot panels in the side of on the bottom of the luggage. So I can put my legs in this area. I can put my legs on this area. So it will be very convenient for me to ride on that. So that's a very convenient for SE3T because when you go out with your kids, you can let your kids sitting in front of you, and I thought it will also be very convenient for you guys to using. Because you can take your kids on this smart riding luggage. So you can like a 2-person sitting on one luggage, and you can control this handle. And inside, it's also got quite large storage space. Like inside, it's quite large storage space. Same as like a 20-inch carry-on luggage. It's also a front open design because we don't want to falling down this luggage when you're picking up your luggage. Like here, it's a front open design. It's quite smooth, like a zipper. So firstly, half open, same, because we got like 2 buckle in this area. And when you don't want to use it, when you pack your luggage, you can unlock it, so it will be fully opened. And also inside is quite deep, so you can put in a lot of things for you guys, storage things here. So it's quite convenient for you guys to storage things. And for this one, 24-inch check-in luggage, the capacity went up to 30 kilometers, 30 liters. So it's quite a large capacity inside. You can put in a lot of things. You can store everything you need for your trips into this area. And also like a 2 pocket here, small pocket. 2 small pockets, you can store your small stuff, your electronic devices, your notebook, your cameras, a lot of things you can store in these 2 small pockets here. So you can also lock this here because we will have like a zipper sticker here. And so you will store things into this luggage very conveniently. And inside, quite a lot of storage space, so you can store your clothes, your camera, your laptop, everything you need for a trip. You can pack in here, yeah. And also half open design. Just click this, lock this 2 barcode, so you will be like the half open. Oh, show you guys here. So in this way, you can show here it's half open design. So it will make this suitcase a very convenient way to use. And also when you don't want to using, you can close this storage space. And it will allow you guys to using the TSA lock here to lock this storage space here. Yeah. So you can lock the luggage in this area. And here we got like TSA lock, the coded lock. So you can set a password by O and you can unlock it very conveniently. So that is about the storage space and the lock. For the SE3T 24-inch luggage, the same control function. Right hand, go ahead. Left hand brakes, press together, reversing. So it's quite convenient for you guys to control that, and it will pass this like a cross very very easy. I got a small space, reversing here and a turn around. So it will be quite convenient for you guys to control this smart riding luggage, and I thought it will be a very good product for you guys to go out, not only for the business trips, small trips. It also can be used like the daily commuting tools. Yeah, it's quite convenient for me to ride on that. And I thought it will be quite easy for you guys to control, and you don't need to learn how to use because it's only got 2 bottom, only 2 control bottom. One go ahead, one brakes, and press together, reversing. So that's quite easy to use it. And also same as the SE3 Mini T and SE3T. This one is also the maximum loading weight for the item, for the suitcase itself. It can be hold 120 kilometers, 120 kilograms, 120 kilograms for you guys to roll it, hold your weight. Like also the maximum speed for SE3 Mini T, the maximum speed for the SE3 Mini T will up to 13 kilometers per hour, maximum speed, 13 kilometers per hour. So when you ride on this smart riding luggage, you will find the speed is quite fast, and it will almost up to the 13 kilometers per hour, and it can be catch a normal bike. Yeah, so it will be very convenient for you guys to using. And also the total frame for this luggage is also about the 100% aluminum alloy, 100% aluminum alloy. So it's quite convenient for you guys to sitting on that. Yeah. Same as back here. It's quite similar to the SE3 Mini T. We will got one powder here, power bank here, which is battery, and it also can be removable. And you guys will see the detailed information about this power bank. It's also same as SE3 Mini T and SE3S. We got like EN 38.3 and MSDS certification for the power bank for the battery itself, because that's two quite important certifications which can allow this power bank up to its plan. And also, we also got ROSE and CE certifications for the power bank, and also the same product itself. So I can show you guys. So first one, I show you guys about the US patent for this smart riding luggage. And also, and next, this is about European patent for the smart riding luggage, innovation like a patent. And also, we will got a test report for the product itself. And here is about IF design board about smart riding luggage we provide for you guys. And also, in the back here, you guys will see here is a test report for the SE3 T smart riding luggage, and CE certification report, ROSE certification report, and finally this is a US patent. So we got quite a lot of these certifications for the products for this smart riding luggage, which you can ride on that, you can control that very conveniently. And also for the SE3T, currently only got two normal colors. One is black and one is white. So hope you guys will be if you want to purchase samples, you can choosing between those two different colors. And also some people said those two colors are too common and I need more colors. Or we can also accept to do OEM and ODM. So if you have any requirements to do the customizations or personalizations, you can actually contact us directly. We'll help you guys to change the color of the suitcase. We can change the brand logo of the luggage. And we can help you guys to print some stickers or some pictures on the surface of this luggage. So we have a lot of other customization service for you guys. So if you guys have any requirements to make a change to this smart riding luggage, you can contact us directly. So we can help you guys to do any requirements for that kind of the customizations. So if you have any questions about this smart riding luggage, please contact us directly. So thank you for you guys, and I will take a break. And next, I will let my colleague Tina to hand over.
Hello guys. I'm Tina from Airwheel company, and thanks my colleague Teresa have a good introduction about our scooter Suitcase. And for now, I'm going to introduce our following Suitcase. It is a quite popular. Okay, it is a quite popular product in the world now. So you may have see the videos on the website like that, the Suitcase which can follow behind you. Yes, so this is what our following Suitcase SR5. So I will give you the detailed introduction about this product. So first that, and when you receive our following Suitcase, you will get three things. First, it is a watch. Yeah, it is a watch. And then a Suitcase. And also here, and you got a battery. So you have got these three things like a watch and a Suitcase and a battery. And then I will teach you how to use our following Suitcase. Yes, so before I introduce, I would like to say the details and the information of our power bank. So this power bank, the capacity is about 62 Wh. So it is the small capacity, and you can take this power bank to the plane directly. So because that we have rules of the airlines which said that the max capacity which allow the airline passengers take to the plane is 100 Wh. So this one is only 62, and there's no problem. You can take it to the plane directly. So this is the power bank, and we have also passed the CE certification, MSDS, ROSE, and also the UN 38.3. These certifications that make sure that our power bank is safe and you can take it to the plane directly. So this is the power bank. And first you need to put this power bank into the Suitcase. So here we have, inside this Suitcase, we have a pocket. So you can see that here is a pocket for you to put this power bank. And here we have a plug one, and you need to plug in this battery. Yeah, so put this battery in this pocket. Yeah, so this is the first step. And next step, here we have a turning on button. Yeah, there's a turning on button on the Suitcase, just press it. Yeah, and you can see that here we have a LED line here, so it is flashing now. So this Suitcase is powered on. And the third is that this watch. And when you first use our floating Suitcase, you need to match this watch to this Suitcase. So I'll teach you how to match it. So here we have the two buttons on this watch, and just press these two buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Yeah, so you can see that I have matched this watch to this Suitcase. So this Suitcase has on the following mode. Yeah, so you can wear this watch on your hand. Yeah. And then you can see that the Suitcase is following behind you. Yeah, when you walk in the front, and it is following behind you. And if you stop, this Suitcase will stop immediately. So this safety distance between you and the Suitcase is 30 cm. So you do not need to worry that if the Suitcase will hit you, it will hit you. And once this distance between you and the Suitcase is over 3 meters, and this watch will alarm you. Yeah, this watch will alarm you and to mention you that your Suitcase is too far away from you, and you need to pay attention to your Suitcase. So this is how it works. So I'll show you again. When I just walk in the front, you can see that this Suitcase just follow behind me. Yeah. So you can take this Suitcase, and when you go traveling in the when you walk in the airport, you do not need to carry this Suitcase and just let it follow behind you. It is quite eye-catching. Yeah. So this is the Suitcase, and for now I will just turn turn off the power, and I will show you how it works, which tech we use for this suitcase. Yeah, so for this part, in the side of the suitcase, you can see here we have a black part. It is the UWB. We use the UWB sensors. Yeah, so to connect it with this watch, So this is the UWB high-tech sensors here, and you can see that in these four corners, we have 4 sensors. Yes, so these sensors make sure that it was sensing around the suitcase, and so when you use it, and the suitcase will not hit things around them. Yeah, so this is the 4 sensors, how it works. And here's that our suitcase has the 4 wheels. 4 spinner wheels, just like the normal one. Yeah, just like the normal one. Yeah, you can see here that it is the 4 wheels. And how it works, because that here's we have 2 motor wheel, which is normally lift up inside the suitcase. And when you turn on the power and use the following mode, and these 2 motor wheels will lift down. So I will show you. First, I just turn on this suitcase. Yeah, turn on this suitcase and also turn on the watch. So you can see that these 2 wheels just left down, and then it is the following mode. And if I turn off the light, turn off the power, so these 2 motor will just lift up. So this is how it works. Then these 2 motor wheels control the directions of the suitcase. So it is how it works. And next, I will show you that here's another intelligent function of our following suitcase. So first, we have 2 USB charge ports. So here we have 2 USB charge ports. So when you use it, and you can charge it to your electric devices, your smartphones. So when you go in, when you are in the airport, you do not need to worry that your suitcase, your smartphone will power off, and you can use this charge port to charge to your electric devices. And next to that is the lock. So normally the suitcase uses the TSA coded lock, but our suitcase used this lock, the fingerprint lock. Yeah, the fingerprint lock. So I'll show you how it works. First, you need to storage the fingerprint into this lock, and it can storage 10 fingerprints to this lock. And how it opens, it's quite easy. You do not need to memory the code, and just put your finger onto the lock. So you can see it is unlocked automatically. So it is quite easy for you to use. So this is our following suitcase. We have the USB charge port, and we have the fingerprint lock. And then I will show you the storage of our suitcase. So I just open it to show that the storage. Because it is the 20-inch carry-on suitcase, you can see that the storage is quite large for you to put clothes inside, and the storage is 30 little. So when you go for travel, I think it is enough for a short trip, like 3 or 5 days, and you can put your clothes inside, you can put your laptop inside. And also we have a zip to get separate part. So you can put your clothes in this inner part, and the outside you can put something, other things like your makeups, washing accessories. And also our suitcase is a front open pocket. So it is quite convenient, because that when you want to find something out of suitcase, you do not need to lay down the suitcase. Just open this front open pocket and take things outside. So it is quite useful function and convenient for you to use this one. And also here we have small pocket. So you can put something important in here, like your passport or credit card in this part. Yeah, so this is the inside storage of our following suitcase. So, and here's, if you do not want to use the following mode, here we have the trolley, aluminum trolley for you to carry this suitcase. Just like the normal one, and it is the 4 spinning wheels, and it is quite flexible for you to carry this one. You can see this. Okay, and the net weight, here we have a PC handle here for you to take this suitcase, and the net weight of this one is quite light, only 6.5 kilograms. So it is quite light, and you can take it and carry it with your one hand, even a girl or ladies. So it is quite lightweight. And then you can see this is the following suitcase. It is quite intelligent function that it will follow behind you automatically. And also we have a fingerprint lock, TSA fingerprint lock, and we have the USB charge port on this suitcase. And the power bank, the battery is inside this suitcase, and also it is removable. So I need to tell you one thing important is when you go to the airport and you need to pass a custom. So do not forget to take this suitcase or take this power bank out of suitcase when you pass the custom. So after you pass it, and you can take it back to the suitcase and use the following mode and take it to the plane directly. So this is important thing that of our scooter of our following suitcase. And then I will show you again how it follow behind me. So first that you can wear this watch on your hand. And next is that turn on the power of the suitcase, and also turn on the power of this watch. See, the motor wheels has left down, and then it is the following mode. So even if in the rough road and this suitcase can walk, yeah, and you can see that once the distance between you and this suitcase is over 30 meters, and this watch will alarm you. Yeah, you can see it in this rough road, and it can go through. It's quite safe. It will not fall down. Okay, I will show you again. I just walk in the front, and the suitcase will come over to me. Come on, 没问题. Okay, and here we have a trolley to carry this suitcase. Do not forget to turn off the power of the suitcase, and we know that in some place you cannot use the following mode. So we have a trolley, along the trolley for you to take this suitcase. Yeah, and also we have a PC handle in here, and you can take it because it is quite lightweight, and the net weight is only 6.5 kilograms. Yeah, it is quite lightweight, and you can take it with your one hand. Okay, for now, this is our following suitcase, and it is quite popular in the world. And for this product, we have passed a lot of certifications that you can see here. It is the EU patent, of our following suitcase, and here is the CE certification. Yeah, it is the road test report of our suitcase. So for these certifications, we have passed. And for our SR5 following suitcase, we have the 2 colors to choice. So this one is the silver one, and also we have a dark gray one. Yeah, dark gray one. So for these 2 colors for you to choose, dark gray and silver. So it is suitable for some businessmen or who travels a lot, and they can take this suitcase because it looks quite professional, and just like when you walk in the front, and the suitcase will follow behind you. And when you use our SR5 following suitcase and in the airport or in the train stations, yeah, it is quite eye-catching. And so if if you like, and you can just leave your comments to us and contact us, and I will send you more detailed information about this suitcase, the price, the shippings, and any other things you like. You can contact me. So this is our following suitcase, and I will move to our next product, the R5 Plus. So our electric bike. Okay. So this one is our electric bike. Yes, it is the floatable electric bike. And you can see that this one is quite fashionable, and it is all black. It is all black, and the size is quite small, but we have the two big wheels, and the front wheel and the rear wheels, the size of these two wheels is 16 inches, 6 inches. So I just then I will make a detailed introduction about our R5 Plus. So it is quite a popular product of our company, and we sell quite well overseas and here. You can see that it is floatable, and the power bank, the battery is under the seat. So the power bank, the battery is removable. You can see that here, the seat, you can adjust the height of the seat here, and just remove this power bank. And if you want to charge this power bank here, just remove this